Alright, so I just installed the titanium studs on the last video, and then I'm going to show you how I installed the springs and retainers on the 4G63. Alright, so this is the 4G63 beehive set, the springs, retainers, and then the little bottom piece. Here's the part number, and then this is the special 4G63 tool that I'm going to use to install and remove the old ones. Here's the tool, and then all you're going to do is put it on the cam caps. Put the washers through. Where is it? Oh, right there. And then there's an Allen key right here. So we're going to find the Allen key size. Feed it through here. And then you're just going to put this spring. You're going to just install this on top of the retainer. There you go. You adjust this so it's flush on there, like straight. There we go. These are 12 mils, and then I'm just gonna tighten them. Just hand tight should be enough. And then this one's a 3/16 Allen bit. And then all you do is compress the spring down with the tool.
But you also need a magnet. I have a screwdriver that has a magnet on one end. With the magnet, you could remove the valve locks. That's what's actually keeping the spring in place.
And then we're going to decompress the whole thing. Or just loosen it. You got the retainer, the spring, and this piece should come off, and the bottom of the spring. So there's the old one. This is gonna be the new GSC beehive set. Apparently when I went to the machine shop, these were already aftermarket, but like since the previous owner didn't tell me and also didn't mention it, we don't know what brand it is just by looking at it, since they look pretty similar. So we honestly wouldn't know without the previous owner or someone telling us. But the machine shop did say that they were aftermarket. Alright, so I'm gonna put the new one on. Make sure it's on there properly or seated. Spring. The retainer. And then the tool. So I'm keeping the stock valves and valve seats, and just swapping out springs and retainers. So the proper size for this Allen key is actually a 5 or 5 millimeters, I believe. So use a 5. Don't use the 3/16. Use a 5, and then just compress it. Spring and retainer are both on. Back one's on. and then just loosen it slowly. So we're going to do the next one. Same process.
Alright, so just a disclaimer, this was my first time ever installing springs and retainers. I've never done that before, so just use this as a guide. I mean, my engine does run, so I'm pretty sure I did it right. If you guys have any suggestions on or any tips for anybody else, just drop a comment. Alright, so I recommend everyone just take your time. Don't rush it. It does take a while. Make sure the valve locks actually seat properly. The last thing you want is a valve to drop. And yeah, shout out to anybody that watched the video.